Hello people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the best credit cards for gas. So if you guys are looking to get some gas credit cards, this is the video for you. I know there's a lot of people out there traveling. I was going to take me a road trip, but I just have so much to do. I'm going to be taking one pretty soon, but I'm definitely going to use my gas credit cards when I'm out there so that I can get a lot of cash back. Now, a lot of people say the best credit cards for gas is because they want to get that they want to get rewards, or they want to get cash back. So let's actually go into these credit cards. And if you guys have any questions about any of these credit cards, definitely let me know. They're all in one centralized location too, so you guys can be able to find them very quickly. Plus, we'll go over some other credit cards I want you all to consider. That can be great credit cards for you in general too. So let's go ahead and check out these credit cards. Make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, and leave any questions down in the comments. So here is my website, Rickita.com. All these credit cards are actually on my website. So go to Rickita.com. I made a perfect list for you, and that list is the best credit cards for gas. So you can see it right here, best credit cards for gas. You can click right there, and then you'll be able to see all the great credit cards that's best for those people that want the best credit cards for gas. So the first one I want to talk about is the Discover Gas and Restaurants credit card. So I love Discover and I love this credit card because it's great for gas. Now I like the Discover credit cards in general, but this one is like really catered to those people that want to get that cash back for gas. So you want to get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter automatically. So that is something that's really nice. Up to $1,000 every 3 months. In purchases, you guys can be able to get that 2% back, and also at the restaurants too. So while you're traveling, you'll be able to have that. Now, the thing I do like about Discover too, another thing I like is that they'll double your cash back. So all this cash back that you're getting on this credit card, and then 1% everywhere else you spend money, they're going to be able to double it. They're going to make it match it basically. So if you get $200 your first year in cash back, they're going to give you another $200, which means you got $400 total from them. If you got 100, they're going to give you 100. So they want to match it down to the penny. So definitely, I love the Discover card. You can pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry too. So definitely try to see if you can get it, because it's a great credit card, especially if you want to get that credit card. Now, the next one that we're going to talk about is the Discover is Secured. I know this is kind of crazy, people, they think, oh, the secure credit card, but their Discover is Secure give you the same rewards that you're getting for the gas card. So if you can't get, if you cannot get this credit card, try to get the secure one. I know it sounds like crazy, but if you can't get that one, that means you need to start building your credit anyway. So just go ahead and get that secure credit card. Their Discover It Chrome credit card also has the same thing, so definitely check that one out. And Discover It Cashback, all of them give you some cash back on your gas. Also, Discover It Custom Cash Card. This is another great one that is for gas. You're going to have the 0% APR for 15 months on your purchases and balance transfers. So if you were to put any money on this card, just know that on your purchases, you're going to have 0% APR for 15 months. We can actually go to their website and find additional information about their card. I believe it was a custom cash. Yes, it was the custom cash. So yeah, you're going to have that 0% APR for 15 months. And then two, your top categories, you're going to get 5% back up to $500 each billing cycle. So your top category could be gas. So that is something I really thought that you guys need to know about this one. You cannot pre-qualify for it, but it still could be a great credit card if you can get approved with Citi. Understand, Citi do not like bankruptcy, so try to stay away from them, because you're going to have just a hard inquiry for nothing if you had a bankruptcy, okay? So keep that in mind. Now, the next one that we'll want to go over is the Blue Cash Preferred card. So this is a great one because you can pre-qualify for American Express credit cards without a hard inquiry. So you could try to see if you can get this credit card. And then also they have a bonus when you first sign up for it. So you can hit that bonus, you have that money back, and you can get 3% back at gas stations and on transit. So that's why I want to show you what guys is. So it's going to be $0 in the first year, no annual fee for the first year, and then $95 annual fee after that. But you're going to get 6% back at the U.S. supermarket. So that's good, up to $6,000 per year in purchases. Then it's going to be 1% after that. You're going to get 6% back on your US streaming subscriptions, and also that 3% back on gas. And you're going to earn $250 when you spend $3,000 in the first 6 months. So definitely check that out. That can be a great option for you all. I like that 3% back on gas. Now the Chase Freedom Flex, this is a great one because you guys are going to get that 0% APR for 15 months. So that is really good. Now let's actually look at greater details on this credit card. So you guys are going to get 5% back in your bonus category. So that you get that every quarter, and that's going to exclude, like, if you guys were to go to Target for like groceries and stuff like that, it's going to exclude Target and Walmart. But we don't care about that too much because we want to look for gas. So you're going to get 5% back at like gas stations, which is what you guys want. So that's good. And if you guys just travel a lot in general, you guys will be able to get that 5%. You'll earn that 5% on travel purchase through the Chase Ultimate Rewards too. So that's something really good. Again, 0% APR for 15 months, no annual fee. It's some good stuff. And then 2-year cashback rewards do not expire as long as your account is open. There's no minimum to receive your cash back. That's also too with Discover too. You can put your cash back towards like your purchase. So that's really good. The Walgreens autograph card, not Walgreens, oh my gosh, Wells Fargo autograph card, you guys. I got the Wells Fargo card and I got a Walgreens credit card. So yeah, that's the thing about them. But Wells Fargo, they had 3 times rewards on travel. So that's good. And then you're going to earn 20,000 bonus points. We spend $1,000 in purchase. $1,000 in purchase in your first 3 months. So that's $200 cash redemption you can have. And for gas, you're going to get 3 times the points. So that's good. That's what you care about, the gas. And also if you just travel again on your airlines, hotels, car rental, cruises, and more, you're going to get that 3 times the points. And then you always in the car, you might stop and get something to eat. You're going to get that also at the restaurants. So that's something you should look into. Bank of America custom cash rewards. This is also a great one that you can try to get. I don't believe you can pre-qualify for Bank of America anymore. So I know they have something where I think they still can do that, where they can tell you whether or not they can give you any of their credit cards. If you're already in their system, they can be able to do that. But this can be a great one. You can get 2%, you can get 3% back in your choice of what you want to be on gas. You get 3% back, and then you're going to get $200 online cash rewards bonus offer on here. So get this card. You're not going to have an annual fee. I think that I'm going to just stop trying to read all of this stuff, you guys, but I'm trying to just race to tell you about each one of them. For the next ones, please go to their website. US Bank, go to their website, see what they have there. But this is a great one for gas. Also, Capital One Quicksilver student cash card, a great one. If you're a student, put your email address in, your student email address in. You have a greater chance of getting approved. Capital One Bank Platinum Visa is another great one for you all. And definitely check out these other credit cards here at the bottom, because these are some great ones that you can check out. But those are a lot of credit cards. I'm starting to get tongue-tied on some how many I was saying. Oh my gosh, y'all, I think I need to take a nap now. But let me know if you guys like these credit cards. These are the best ones for gas, and also you can pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. So I definitely love that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, and also venture off on my website, Rickita.com. You've seen the best ones for gas, just for travel. That's one for rewards, cash back. There's so many ones out there. Definitely check them out. I'll see you guys in the next video.